Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hi, in this question, we will minimize this given, that is 15x1 plus 11x2 plus 4x1, introducing the slack and the artificial variables, that is 0s1 plus 0s2 plus ma1 plus ma2. We have written, instead of x, we have written x1, y we have written x2, z we have written x3, instead of c we have written z. The subject to constraints are 8x1 plus 10x2 plus 17x3 minus s1 plus a1 is equal to 62, 15x1 plus 18x2 plus 11x3 minus s2 plus a2 is equal to 124. And we have x1, x2, x3, s1, s2, a1, a2 greater than equal to 0. Starting with the first iteration, we get all the values of zj minus cj as positive. We need it negative or 0, so we consider this as the pivot element. Moving towards the second iteration, again zj minus cj value, it is positive. Only one term is negative, so we'll have to move to the third iteration, so taking this as the pivot element. So further we can say that, moving ahead, moving to the third iteration, it can be said that here again zj minus cj value is positive for this term and this term, so we'll have to move towards the next iteration, consider this as the pivot element. So we move to fourth iteration, we get zj minus cj value as positive over here. We have to go to the next iteration, taking this as the pivot element. So moving towards the fifth iteration, so here we can say that we get all the values as negative or they are equal to 0. So we have reached the optimal solution. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is 11.2727 and minimum z is equal to 45.0909. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.